Good morning to all. In the chemical reaction engineering subject, we lastly discussing about the types of reactor, that is catalytic reactors, which is fixed bed reactor, and then after multi-tube tube fixed bed reactor and multi-bed reactor we discussing. Then after we discuss the about the fluidized bed reactor. So fluidized bed reactor, in which we discuss first, these reactors are especially suitable when frequent catalyst generation is required. The catalyst generation is required for the reactions with very high heat effects. Okay, so figure 6.14a. Figure 6.14a is indicating that fluidized bed reactor for a stable catalyst which does not require regeneration continuously. જે 6.14 એની અંદર આપેલું છે કે જેની અંદર રિએક્ટરની અંદર continuous generation of reactor is not required. Okay, so this is fluidized bed, and reactant gas is at the bottom of the vessel is inputting, then coolant is to be provided, then so 6.a એવું રિએક્ટર છે કે જેની અંદર કન્ટિન્યુઅસલી જે ફ્લો છે, બરાબર, એટલે કે કેટલિસ્ટ જનરેશન એનો યુઝ કરવો પડતો નથી. Then 6.14b shows the fluidized bed reactor for a deactivating catalyst which requires removal and regenerations continuously. Here a portion of the catalyst particle is continuously removed from the reactor and fed to regenerator. The catalyst particles are regenerated in the regenerator and then the return to the reactor. Product gas or a reactant gas should be inletted from the bottomly. Then this one is a fluidized bed and it is sent it to the regenerator for the operating as a fluidized bed. And this one is a hydraulic lift. जो regenerator gas है, this one is a hydraulic lift using hydraulic machineries that can be send it to the regenerator, and which is fluidized bed, and send it to the fluidized bed, and then after we get the product gas out. Okay, now here is the main difference between them is given are first fixed bed and fluidized bed. So mainly difference of both of this is that, so likely it is catalyst particle are stationary and gas flow through it. Fixed bed ni andar catalyst particles are stationary and gas flow through it. Catalyst particle, where in the fixed fluidized bed catalyst particles are suspended in the gas stream. Then catalyst particles are suspended in the gas stream and they move about depending upon the gas stream velocity. Depending upon the gas stream velocity. Second is that catalyst regeneration is serious problem in the fixed bed. So it should be a major problems of the catalyst regenerations. Where in the fluidized bed, catalyst regeneration is easy. Catalyst regeneration is easy, very easy. Where in the fixed bed reactor, operation is not practically isothermally. It, it will be not operated in the isothermal condition. Where the fluidized reactor is practically isothermal operations. It is an isothermal operation. No carry over the catalyst particle, thus does not require recovery units. that is that means catalyst particle does not require recovery unit. It not having a recovery unit, while the it is carry with the recovery units of catalyst particle in the fluidized bed. Then it cannot be used it cannot used very small size catalyst particle due to the pluging and high pressure drop. ખૂબ જ વધારે પડતા પ્રેશર ડ્રોપ અને પ્લજિંગ પ્રોબ્લેમના લીધે સ્મોલ સાઇઝના જે કેટલિસ્ટ છે એનો યુઝ કરી શકાતો નથી. Use relatively large size particle for a low pressure drop. જો સ્મોલ સાઇઝ પાર્ટિકલ યુઝ કરીએ તો એના અંદર પ્લજિંગ અને લાર્જ પ્રેશર ડ્રોપની પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ ક્રિએટ થાય છે. જ્યારે મોટા પાર્ટિકલ્સ યુઝ કરીએ તો એ પ્રકારની પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ થતી નથી અને પ્રેશર ડ્રોપ કેવું રહે છે, લો. જ્યારે ફ્લુઇડાઇઝ્ડ બેડ રિએક્ટરની અંદર used fine size particle which provides large area of contact. કે આના અંદર જે સોલિડ કેટલિસ્ટ છે એને સપ્લાય કરવામાં આવે છે શું હોય છે, ખૂબ જ એટલે કે ખૂબ જ નાના સાઇઝના ફાઇન પાર્ટિકલ્સ કેટલિસ્ટ હોય છે જે પ્રોસેસ કરવા માટે ખૂબ જ શું હોય છે, વિચ પ્રોવાઇડ્સ ધ લાર્જ કોન્ટેક્ટ એરિયા. Where the fixed bed is the gas approximates plug flow. In the fixed bed, the gas is flow rate should be in the plug flow, while in the second one, gas flow is far from the plug flow with considerable bypassing. જ્યાં આની અંદર શું હોય છે, બાયપાસ હોય છે, પ્લગ ફ્લો હોતો નથી. Small diameter multitubular units. It is a small diameter and it requires multi-tubular units, whatever series and connections, where fixed fluidized bed consists a larger diameter vessel. It requires hotspots are formed where there is a no hotspot formations. Catalyst recovery unit is not required, where in the fluidized bed catalyst recovery unit is required, and in the fixed bed no catalyst lost, where it is in the right hand side the chance of catalyst lost, some amount of catalyst should be less, or it should be lost by during the operations. Okay, so here is the main detailed classification which is important for the GTU examinations: fixed bed reactor and fluidized bed reactor. Okay, then the next is that trickle bed reactor. Okay, so what is trickle bed reactor? Chemical reactor. It is a chemical reactor that used the downward movement of liquid and the downward co-current or upward, that is counter current, movement of the gas over a packed bed of catalyst particle. ગેસ જે છે એ શું કરે છે, અહીંયા ફ્લુઇડ ઇનલેટ અને આઉટલેટની સાથે ગેસ પણ શું કરવામાં આવે છે, પાસ કરવામાં આવે છે. બરાબર. તો જનરલી છે શું કરવામાં આવે છે, ડાઉનવર્ડ્સમાંથી અપવર્ડ સાઈડમાં શું કરવામાં આવે છે, એટલે કે કો કરંટમાંથી કાઉન્ટર કરંટ મૂવમેન્ટ થાય છે. બરાબર. ફર્સ્ટલી શું થાય છે, લિક્વિડ એન્ડ ધેન ડાઉનવર્ડ્સ, એટલે કે જે કો કરંટ હોય છે, બરાબર, કો કરંટ એક જ દિશામાં, લિક્વિડ ઇઝ ડાઉનવર્ડ કરેક્ટ ઇન ધ directions to the upward direction. Okay, it is considered to be the simplest reactor type of performing catalytic reactions, where a gas and liquid, normally both reagents, are present in the reactor, and accordingly it is extensively used in processing plant. Trickle bed reactor, it is generally types of performing catalyst reactions where the gas and liquid are present in the reactor to extensively used for the processing plant. So basic configurations and operations, it is classified into following types. Conventional trickle bed reactor, comprising randomly packed bed of porous catalytic particles. Okay, conventional જે યુઝ થતું હોય છે ટ્રિકલ બેડ રિએક્ટર. Second, semi-structured trickle bed reactor, comprising non-randomly packed bed particles of catalyst on structural packing, or monolith reactor comprising large number of small channels coated with catalyst layer. આની અંદર નંબર્સ ઓફ લાર્જ કેટલિસ્ટ લેયર શું કરવામાં આવે છે, કોટેડ કરવામાં આવે છે. Then C1 is micro trickle bed reactor, comprising a number of micro channel packed bed with crystal particles. So here is the working. First of all, how it looks like that. So we are just seeing that. In the top of the portion, the gas will be inlet and liquid will be out. Okay, and the top of the portion, it is blue line, which is indicating that gas is inletting from the top of the portion, and the bottom of the part, it will be gas out. Okay, ગેસ પાસ કરવામાં આવે છે, અને સાથે સાથે બીજું લિક્વિડ ઇન, જે ટોપ ઓફ ધી વેસલના અંદરથી લિક્વિડને ઇનલેટ કરાવવામાં આવે છે. બટ એના પહેલાં અંદરના ભાગ જે જોઈએ એ શું છે, this one is a both of side, both of and water, it is a cooling system, એટલે કે કુલિંગ જેકેટ પ્રોવાઈડ કરેલા હોય છે, અને એના અંદર શું હોય છે, પેકિંગ યુઝ કરેલા હોય છે જુદા જુદા પ્રકારના. So water is inlet at the for the cooling purpose in the jacket. So water in and water it should be out. So hot water, cold water in and hot water should be out. And top of the point, liquid distributor, liquid water ne શું કરે છે, distribute, that is in the form of dropping. Then it will be send, it goes on the packing. So here packing is generally using from the glass or other materials. Okay, and it will be removed from the bottom of the vessel, liquid out. So let's configuration see. The gas and liquid co-currently બંને એક જ દિશામાં ક્યાં થાય છે, ડાઉનવર્ડ્સ ઓવર ફિક્સ બેડ ઓફ ધ કેટલિસ્ટ પાર્ટિકલમાંથી પસાર થાય છે. બરાબર, કેટલિસ્ટનું જે બેડ હોય છે એમાંથી. co-current downflow of gas and liquid over a fixed bit of catalyst. Okay, then liquid trickle down while gas phase is continuous in a trickle bed. લિક્વિડ ટ્રિકલ ડાઉન, લિક્વિડ શું થાય છે ડાઉનલી ટોપથી બોટમમાં ડાઉનમાં જતું રહે છે, જ્યારે ગેસ ફેઝ શું હોય છે કન્ટિન્યુઅસ હોય છે, કન્ટિન્યુઅસલી અપ્લાય કરવાનું. ઇન ટ્રિકલ બેડ વેરિયસ ફ્લો regimes are distinguished depending upon gas and liquid flow rates and fluid properties and packing characteristics. Okay, so this is the working of the trickle bed reactor.